Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Opengpu network token. Ticker symbol is OGPU. Now this token, it was just announced, will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting December 22nd. We're going to go over the information on the Opengpu network token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Opengpu network. So if you go to their webpage, opengpu.network, at the bottom of their webpage, they have a audit and KYC, and it looks like a full CertiK audit. CertiK's the leading crypto auditor. They have links to chart sites like CoinGecko, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, CoinMarketCap. They have a Uniswap link where you'll be able to get the token off Uniswap, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, roadmap, newsletter, links, verification, support, light paper, white paper, yellow paper, pitch deck, staking, Explorer, OpenDex, Academy Testnet, and then tons of socials, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Medium, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, GitHub, and LinkedIn, and then tons of other links at the top of the webpage as well. Now, it was just announced that this token will be listed December 22nd at 12 p.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate. So if you're looking to get this token, one way to get it would be to download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension, not a Chrome extension, open an account on your PC at gate.io. Then you would fund your account with USDT, and then December 22nd, go into the trade section, search OGPU after the token gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Or if you want to get it off a decentralized exchange, Uniswap, funding your Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet with ETH, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then using the contract address you could find in their document section, you would trade your ETH for the OGPU token using that contract address. So you can do it either way, or if you follow their Twitter right here at Opengpu Network, if you don't want to use either one of those places, I'm sure there's going to be more listings that are going to pop up as it gets closer to the 22nd, where you'll be able to get the token, like maybe Qcoin or Bybit, or you name it. It could be listed on there. They do Twitter Spaces on here where they talk about the project and other things that you can get involved with and listen to on their Twitter. So check out the Twitter Spaces. But what is this project all about here? Well, introducing decentralized GPU computing for AI applications. Well, the rapid growth of AI and machine learning has outpaced the capabilities of traditional centralized infrastructures. AI applications, especially those involving deep learning, natural language processing, and generative models, require immense computational power. With their parallel processing capabilities, GPUs are essential for handling these demands. However, the dominance of centralized cloud systems and data centers controlled by large corporations has created an oligopolistic environment. A big word there. As a result, clients needing GPU resources face limitations in budget, scalability, and susceptibility to central points of failure. So decentralized GPU computing offers a transformative solution, distributing computational tasks across a global network of GPU providers and eliminates the bottlenecks and vulnerabilities of centralized systems. Blockchain technology underpins this system, ensuring secure, transparent, and efficient AI computation. Decentralized networks like OpenGPU Network establish an open market of providers, enabling horizontal scaling, cost efficiency, and maximum fault tolerance while maintaining high levels of security and transparency. So, the Open GPU network is designed to democratize access to high-performance GPU computing resources through a decentralized architecture. In today's world, where computing demands are growing due to advancements in AI, traditional centralized computing models are not sufficient anymore. The Open GPU network addresses these challenges by leveraging decentralized principles to create a more efficient, scalable, and accessible GPU computing ecosystem. The mission of the Open GPU network is to revolutionize GPU computing by providing an open, decentralized, and trustless platform that enables global access to GPU resources. The network supports an ecosystem where GPU resources can be optimally used by individuals, small enterprises, and large organizations without relying on centralized intermediaries. The key objectives: decentralization of GPU resources. Now, this enables a peer-to-peer networking of sharing GPU resources, eliminating reliance on data centers and cloud systems. Accessibility and inclusivity, designing the network to be accessible to everyone with user-friendly interfaces and a flexible economic mode. Scalability, ensuring that the network scales efficiently in response to the growing demand for GPU resources. And security and trust, leveraging blockchain tech to secure and automate transactions, reducing the risk of human error. Sustainability, creating a sustainable economic model with GPU tokens that incentivize participation and support network growth. Competitive free market, sharing GPUs in a free market maximizes efficiency and innovation by allocating resources based on demand, benefiting both providers and customers through competitive pricing. They have high-level architecture. Now, the architecture of the Open GPU network is built on advanced multi-layer approach designed to support decentralized, scalable, and efficient GPU computing services. The architecture consists of several distinct layers. The blockchain layer, the GPU task layer, the provider layer, application layer, and in the Open GPU network, task distribution and execution are managed through an open market system, eliminating the need for traditional load balancers or centralized management systems. Orchestration is mainly managed by settling environment parameters. Now, if you want to learn more about this project here, like I said, you can learn way more about just the overall project. I mean, tokenomics, the total supply is capped at 21 million tokens, it says. There is going to be a 5% buy and sell tax, it says, on the Ethereum chain if you are going to buy this token off of Uniswap. So just be aware, if you are using Uniswap, you're going to have to set slippage around 5% for buys and sells. And fees are different when it comes to central exchanges like Gate. So just be aware of that. So yeah, go check this token out, being listed on Gate soon. You can find the Uniswap link on their webpage along with chart sites, their audit. You should check out the audit. KYC, OpenGPU.network. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.